Election se, masi, it's reflect the ideas of Manipur. Marandi, ngasidi Vice President da community kudimak accommodate to Manipur ki community kudimak. Then State ki General Secretary kudimak desda community kudimak Manipur ki community kudimak represent to. Then secretaries, district level, assembly levels. Aduna, it's a symbol and it's a reflection of the ideas of Manipur. So Congress always states the ideas of Manipur. It's a great moment that our Congress parties reflects even the election of the youth Congress reflects the ideas of Manipur. Great, it's a moment, it's a great moment. Thank you for the AICC leaders. I'm really happy with the AICC leaders because all the committee at the state level and the district level and the assembly level reflects the ideas of Manipur. But our Congress party, we have to target it. Goal see, actually unity leadership, leibak. Madugi goal ni actually nasi, na koi na thokla ka thena ka liba. Aina appeal to jeliba. Leaders kudiba. All these 73 leaders. But when the leaders go to the is it because of this our Congress party? Because the Congress party is going to be here. Mama election is the other thing. Atu is the other thing. Political background like what we don't know. No way can not the youth president को भी आके दवाई थी. No way क्या काम नहीं. Youth president करना. Not our Congress party. Others political parties. Political parties sudah politically ethical, not like individual life, not like physical assault, not like attacking to the other political parties. Okay, say, highly doing the rest of us. Yeah, Manipur ki wapham kas koya to realize and maintain the traditions and conventions of ideas of Manipur.